Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. I know it's been a while since we uploaded one of these videos, but for those of you who don't know me, my name is Matt Sr. I am the founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We service the tri-state area. So if you guys are looking for industry-leading upfitter, custom vehicle designer and builder, give us a call. So today's video, I wanted to showcase another one of our custom shop builds. And the reason I wanted to showcase this one specifically is because it's a little bit different from any of the ones that we have posted in the past. So this was built for a customer that specifically requested pretty much every part of this. That's obviously why we call it a custom built kit. So big shout out to George out of Indiana. This set will be leaving our facility here really soon. Gonna do a 24-hour burn test on Monday, and then it'll be on its way to him once it passes that. Okay, so let me give you a little rundown about what this kit entails. So this kit includes two Feniex Fusion 100s, single color, in blue, both with 40-degree optics. Now, this kit was built to be a plug-and-play unit like the majority of our other custom kits. This one is using our heavy-duty 12-volt power plug that comes with an inline fuse. This kit also features one of our heavy-duty automotive relays, and it is controlled by the Feniex 4200 mini controller. Now, this kit was put together and combined all together to where George can plug this into his cigarette lighter, hit a button, get this thing running, and change his patterns on the fly as he sees fit. Now, this kit is a little bit different in the fact that this will be temporarily mounted on the rear window of an SUV, and I guess he's planning to be able to just grab it and go to another vehicle back and forth. So what we did, normally we would recommend a window mount, but in the case of this being a swappable kit, he wanted to do some sort of suction cup mount. So with it being a rear window, obviously the 100 light stick was the better option. Now, Feniex has this suction cup light stick mount kit. Actually, I'm not 100% sure that it is still available through them, but luckily we have some still in stock, so we were able to offer that to him. Now, this kit comes with two different suction cup mount legs. You have an extended leg here, which basically puts the product a little bit further from the window, but this is the one that I recommend with the light sticks, only because if you use the smaller legs, which are these, the ones that basically come with the mini 4200s, it basically puts the suction cup in front of the Fusion module. As you can see, we set this one up with the suction cup extended legs, and you notice how that suction cup edge is pretty much right at the edge of the LED module. Okay, so now that we have backed up a little bit here, folks, I want to fire this thing up and show you how it operates. Obviously, everybody has seen the flash patterns with the single color light sticks, so that's not going to be a surprise. But we have the 4200 set up to where as soon as he starts his vehicle and that power port that he has this plugged into is powered by the ignition, the 4200 will come to life. And I'll show you that right now. We'll put 12 volts to it. You notice how the 4200 automatically fires up. So how we programmed this is we programmed this with buttons number 6 and button 6, button 4. Button 6 is the on-off switch. Button 4 was programmed as a momentary, and that was to change flash patterns. So let's hit button 6 and fire this thing up. Now, those of you that have not installed or programmed any of the Fusion light sticks, they use a ground signal to change the pattern. And the 4200 gives out a positive 12 volt signal. So what we did, and what we always do for these, is we add an automotive relay in line. And how that works is every time the 4200 momentary button is pressed, it engages the coil of that relay, which obviously then changes state and grounds out that flash pattern trigger. Now, he has some existing equipment that he wanted to use the 4200 on, and he plans on adding a couple things. That's the reason he chose us to wire this to the buttons that we did. And we also have a nice little bundle heat shrink together and labeled so that he knows those are the trigger wires for the other buttons. In theory, with the wire lengths that we built into this kit, you could possibly use this pretty much anywhere in the vehicle. The wire length between the two units is long enough that you could place one in each one of your rear side windows if you saw fit. You could also place these in the windshield. A lot of versatility with this kit, I think, and we hope he's satisfied. We hope this is exactly what he was envisioning. We believe it is. Of course, as I said, it's powered by our heavy-duty 12-volt power plug, which is fused directly in line and then controlled by the 4200 and the relay. If this kit is something that you may be interested in having built, maybe you have a couple changes or a couple specifications that you would change, or you're looking for a dual color product, we can definitely put something together for you. Basically the reason we do these kits is the majority of, well, not the majority of, all of your professional certified grade equipment manufacturers, equipment is hardwire only, unless you're talking about certain things like magnetic mini bar. Of course, they always come with a power plug or some sort of controller, or the majority of dash lights will come with a throw and go plug. But the rest of the line is normally always hardwire, and if you're not proficient in automotive wiring or basic electricity, sometimes that can be a challenge. Sometimes that can be a little bit intimidating, and when you trust our experts and our technicians, we can put together a kit like this where pretty much all you have to do is mount your lights, find a place for your controller, plug it in, and be on your way. I mean, literally, you're talking probably 10-15 minutes to install this kit and get it up and running. Maybe a little bit longer if you have to find a way to hide the cabling. But other than that, it's pretty much a plug and play, throw and go kit. And that was the whole idea behind it, so that he could pull this off and put it in place in different vehicles as he saw fit. And of course, like I said, with the 4200 and the available buttons that are left, you can add quite a bit of equipment. You can take advantage of the wig-wag built-in flasher. Well, there you have it, folks. Another custom-built kit from the experts at 412 PSE Kustomz out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We ship these kits all over the world. We are a global shipper. Many of the equipment dealers out there refuse to deal with international shipping. We find it's our duty to the first responder community to make sure that everybody across the globe has the opportunity to obtain and utilize affordable, elite, professional grade equipment. That's what we do. It's part of our mission. So if this kit is something that piques your interest, or you have an idea for a kit that's a little bit different from this, you can always reach out. Send us an email at sales@412psekustomz.com. Make sure you spell customs correct. We spell it with a K and a Z. always give the shop a call. With the whole COVID thing and being understaffed, getting a hold of us on the phone lines is a bit difficult at the moment. As a small family business, we don't have phone operators in a big room waiting to take your call. I do apologize, but we just don't have that capacity at the moment. So please bear with us. Leave a message if you don't get a hold of us. Eventually, we will return your call and get back to you. If you're looking to get an install, on-site install, just order some equipment. Give us a call. We represent many of the top manufacturers and vendors here in the United States. We do not install or represent any of the import brands, so that I don't apologize for, but it is what it is. Trust your experts. 412 PSE Kustomz out of Pittsburgh, PA. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. Stay healthy.